Meaning of genetic fingerprinting.
Genetic fingerprinting.
Genetic fingerprinting.
Genetic fingerprinting.
Genetic fingerprinting. Genetic fingerprinting refers to the process of analyzing a person's DNA to identify unique patterns or sequences that can be used to distinguish them from others. This technique is commonly used in forensic investigations, paternity testing, and other fields which require identification. The method works by isolating specific regions of an individual's DNA, and using specialized laboratory techniques to produce a distinct pattern known as a fingerprint. These fingerprints are highly individualistic and can be used to establish or rule out relationships or suspects in a variety of settings. Overall, genetic fingerprinting is a powerful tool for identifying individuals and establishing connections between people and events.